gotta wait for you. I gotta wait for your call. My nigga, my melody, I go. My melody, I go. I gotta wait for you.
Welcome to Botswana. We have just arrived at the Botswana border and we're about to be tested for coronavirus. 1 kg of weight gain. Look how chocolatey these chocolates look. Zimbabwe is over there. This is Botswana. Hey, we are now in Botswana.
I gotta wait for your call. My nigga, my melody, I go. My melody, I go.
I've not seen a porthole yet. I love this kind of where? This is the menu at Wimpy. Burgers. Okay, this is like basically 5 by 10. This is 9 US. So the 9 divided by 10, that's 9 US. I'm having, what am I having? This looks like salsa. Mom is having this. $6. This is mine. $9. Oh, there's my other photographer friend, and here is the things, and here is my mom. Okay, alright. Hey. So here we are going into the house. Ooh. Okay. This place. Who's that? Is that my mom? Hey moms. It's just the kitchen. Wow. Oh, I'm so good at these. Look at these shots. Look at these shots. So why don't you do my camera needs cleaning, to be honest. I'll clean it in a sec. Welcome to my room. This is my little bathroom. Nice tissues. Oh, little cute, you know. Hi. We like it. And then my favorite is just the room. Like, look at the size. Just look at the size. Just look at the size. How many clothes do I even have? I'm in here for like 1 day. Oh, the TV. And of course, look at it. Oh, we go outside and welcome to Botswana. Botswana. I 100% love my room in Botswana, and it's massive. Like, it's big. Many wardrobes I won't be using. Loads of space, and of course, this balcony. Oh. I'm in love, basically. I'm in love. I'm in love. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's crazy.
Your body they back at me, see. Open up, make I see. Now you where they got my fancy. Don't they do me Yankee Panky? Oh no 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 no.
So right now I'm actually doing some work, which is how I earn some money whilst traveling. I earn $50 a month, helping my mom with her Airbnb things and everything that I help her with in the house, etc. And so that is actually enough money for me to live like a lot while I'm in Zimbabwe. I don't want to buy anything, I want to save money.
A few moments later.
I'm definitely going to buy Special K. It's $3.70, which is about £2. 1 kg of weight gain. Look how chocolatey these chocolates look. Maybe I can get the baby one, actually. Okay, that's less weight gain, I guess. Mom loves nougat, so I'm gonna get her this as a gift. She will love this. She's absolutely going to love this. And there's baby versions. Oh my god. Comes to juices. This juice is the juice of life. They haven't actually seen it this big in Zimbabwe. It's only $1.30, but oh, the taste is sensational. Cornflakes. It's actually quite expensive now. It's $3.20. It's like £2. It's not really a bargain, is it? Is it breakfast? Ooh. So I have 2 boiled eggs, no, fried eggs, bacon, some steak, chips, sausage and toast. So we are going to go into Mr. Price, which apparently has some nice clothes. There's no bargains. It's just normal price clothes. This top is $6 US. It's like £5 for the strappy thingies. So it's not like a bargain. So she bought. Let's try one. I don't know if it's gonna fit, but here is my uncle wearing a towel. This was like the shortest trip and now we're already going back. Could it be water? It's been washed.
Oh.